Okay friends, so next we are installing the keypad. Now with this, I want to make it as level as possible. So I have this nice chair rail molding. I'm not sure if I'm going to set it up on that or not. Probably go get a level and hold it next to this real quick. What you want to do is peel off these 4 stickers, double or single-sided sticky tape. Make sure that where you want to put it is where you want to put it. Get my level out here first. Make sure that that's level, and I'll put it next to that. Okay, we're going to hold that on there for 30 seconds. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Okay, that's almost 30 seconds. I'm going to give it about 10 more. I want this thing to be nice and secure on there so it doesn't slip in and out or fall off the wall. You can also screw it into the wall too if you want to, and that's simply done by okay, that should be good, but this can slide up, and if you want to screw it in, you got screws right there. You can just screw those into the wall, and this simply goes back on there like that. Okay, so that is that section of attaching it to the wall. Okay, and then install your keypads. We're going to remove this little item here and adhere the keypad to your wall by your main entrance. You can take the keypad with you to name your device as you install them. After you adhere the keypad to the wall, just slide it up and off the bracket. Alright, so is there a thing to activate the batteries here? I think so. Batteries. Okay, alright, so to activate your batteries, we got some Duracells in here. I'm going to pull this off. Slide that back into place. Okay, searching for base station. Connecting to base station. And press menu to continue setup. So we're going to get you a little bit closer view here, then we're going to go press menu. Okay, so we're going to place menu. Choose a master pen. This is the code you'll use to disarm your system and to change your settings. So I'm going to do that real quick and I'll be right back here. Okay, so you put in the code and then you press on the side. These are buttons. Okay, so install your devices. Follow the mounting instructions in the guidebook or the mobile app. So we go okay. Press button on a device to test and name. Alright, so we're going to go start setting up our devices now. We'll take this with us, and that way we can set it up a little bit easier. So simply take this, slide this up, and move from the wall.